So some days ago I made a video about this ProFirm account on my YouTube channel and also on my Telegram channel. So you can see the video here, this video. So I was talking about this ProFirm broker, which is called the VProp Trader. You can see this is the broker, and I decided to try out their free challenge or their free ProFirm accounts that they are giving out. And you can see this the this is the free funded account campaign that they are doing here. So I have already activated the two ProFirm accounts. You can see I have the step 1 account and also the step 2 challenge account. So if you check right on the details section here, you see that I have met up with the required amount of profit target right over here. So you can see profit target 100. You can see I've just passed it. So what is remaining for me to pass now is the minimum trading days. So currently I've just traded for 3 days only before I pass this $100 threshold. So you can see by tomorrow now, when I trade again, I'm going to pass this and this is going to be completed, and I'm going to be fully funded on this one step challenge on the ProFirm account. So you can see when this step moves to final, any profit I make here, that's where I'm going to be splitting it with them. That is 80-20%. I'm going to be getting 18% and they're going to be getting 20%. So as for now, I will be waiting for tomorrow, then that is going to start. So as for this 2-step challenge, after passing this, let's see the details on the 2-step challenge that you see. After passing this 2-step challenge, you can see right over here I have over 103 in my threshold right over here. You can see, and you can see I have already passed this, and that's why it's showing here. So and this is remaining 1 day to complete. So tomorrow if I trade any trading, I'm going to be passing this challenge, and I'm going to be moving to the next step in this 2-step challenge. But in this first 1-step challenge, I am going to be moving to the final level, which any profit I make in the final level, I can be profited from it, and I can place my payout or cash out from the funded account. So let me go to my MetaTrader 5 and I'm going to show you the account which I am already trading on. You can see, if you check right over here, you can see those are the accounts, and you can see that it is a let's go here. You can see it, this is the ProFirm challenge broker here. So if you check manage account, you can see the first one is for the first 1-step challenge, and the second ProFirm account is for the 2-step challenge. So you can see both of them are active on my ProFirm account on my MetaTrader 5 here, and you can see that currently I am not trading anything currently yet. So the reason why I make this video today is because I want to show you that yes, this the free $100 funded account for all is still active, and you can see those are the accounts I just showed you, and you can still get one for yourself before it will be too late. So you can see that it is still active on this VProp Trader ProFirm account. So that's it, and you can see this ProFirm account also offer other types of funded account. You can see they have instant accounts. You can see their first step account, second step account, their climber account, and also V Basics and then V Pro. So you can select any of these if you wish to buy any of the ProFirm account. But if you register into this ProFirm for the first time, you are going to be given a chance to claim a 4-step ProFirm account which is for free, and then a 2nd-step ProFirm account which is also for free. That's where that's what I am currently on now, and that is it. So you can see on their instant accounts here, you can go down, you can buy for as low as 9.99 USD. You can see it's very cheap, and also you can see their max daily loss is about $15, and then their max total loss is about $25. So you can see this is a very moderate account that has this package for this amount of USDT or this amount of dollars. So if you go down, you can see more packages and more stuffs there that are available, and if you check the climber section here, you can go down and you can see things that they have to offer on the climber section. So the reason why I made this video is for you to know about the free stuff or the free package that they are offering. And I know that it is very hard for you to see ProFirm account that offer free funded accounts like these ones that I'm using. So that's it, and this is what I have to share with you on today's video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And before I leave, please make sure you leave a comment. And also, if you're interested in this, I'm going to be dropping the link in the description section of this video, or you can also check the comment section depending on where you are watching this from. So you can just get your free get your free $1,000 funded account and start trading instantly. So this is for those that doesn't have capital to start trading on the forex market. So that's it, and this is what I really have to share with you on today's video. And also, do not forget to join my Telegram community, because I drop interesting updates which will benefit you on this Telegram channel. So you can see, if you check, you can see there are so many posts that I make here. I drop trading signals, I do giveaway, and I also drop interesting online opportunities which you can benefit or make gains from it. So if you check right on the profile section, you can see this is the name, and this is the only Telegram channel that you can join and make good and interesting benefits from it. So you can find the link to this Telegram channel in the channel description, depending on the social media you are watching this from. If you are watching from YouTube, you can find the Telegram channel on the channel description. If you are watching from TikTok, it's there on the channel description. If you are watching from my Facebook page, it's also there. Whether you are watching from X, also is there. And if you are watching from Instagram, it's also in the channel description. So that's it, and thank you guys, and